Hello, this is John of Art at San Nicholas Tolentino parish here in Talisay City. Why am I filming this? I found something interesting here at the walls of this church. At first, I thought they're just murals. After examining the walls and walking a few distance, I found out that there is an ongoing work in progress on these walls. And so I found out that it's not just a mural, but a mosaic of cut tiles. So the workers have been sticking cut tiles following the lines of this mural, and by cutting the tiles into small pieces and sticking them with tile adhesive, they are slowly forming a pretty mosaic. Unfortunately, they're not here anymore for me to interview them. I was here earlier and they were working. They're probably out to lunch, so I'm just here examining again their works. So see that? These are the tile pieces, tile bits that they've been cutting to form these lines. According to the workers, the line work is done by an artist of San Agustin. I don't know if it's the school or the church, but look at that. That's the finished product. So let's have a closer look. It's all cut tiles into tiny bits and forming a very beautiful picture. So at the foot of the saints are these beautiful pictures represented by the apostles. According to the workers, it took just this, the finished work. They started working in December of last year, and they're still working of it. They're still working on it halfway. So no wonder it took them a year, because it's back to back. So this one and also that one. So very intricate work. Good job, St. Nicholas. What a huge investment in art, but isn't it beautiful? Even here, inside these walls. No wonder it took them more than a year. See how beautiful the murals are, mosaic murals. This is amazing, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Very nice, very nice. I wish I could make one. This would cost so much. Alright. What is this? Looks like Obama to me. Lorenzo Ruiz. Cool. So that's it, folks. Our art vlog for today on MOSAIC. Bear with it. It's MOSAIC. We can't translate it in Ilonggo. It's art taliambo. Like, share, and subscribe. Heart art to all of you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.